Easy profit. Easy profit. Mate, I reckon this is coming in. I thought buys would go back up, but we could see this quick pullback. I'm not even gonna lie. I know it's coming in. 100%, mate. 100%. Look at the ratio on this. 14 to 1. It's stupid. It's stupid. Move TP to 16, 28. 48, 14 to 1. A 14 to 1. Have some of that. Yo, what's up, Aslam? How's everything in your life? How's things going? Yo, what trade are you in? I'm in sales. Technically, this is the push up, which is 1631, which was original take profit. But I reckon we're gonna come down more. Could even come all the way down here. You gotta look at the candles. Yo, what's good? You're the best gold trader there is, mate. I actually am the best gold trader there is. I'm just so lazy, right? Where I just don't upload enough. I just don't put my name out there enough, which I should do, but I just can't be bothered, man. I enjoy just trading on my ones. You know, I've got a group if they want to have some free trades or be in the premium, but I try and focus on my health more than I do and a lot of things. I know you've been hurting. I appreciate that, Dennis, mate. I appreciate it, though. I'm only joking. There are obviously good gold traders out there, I hope, anyway. I'm not entirely sure, but... Mate, all this trade is just, you know, we've made highs up here. If I show you the daily, you'll think, oh, okay, 100%. Yeah, TJ, that's right. Daily started here. Clear indication of here of where it opened up last night in Tokyo session. You know, that's clear buys, right? That's clear buy support. We didn't come below here, so we know it's a good trade for the buys, which is why we continue. Now you've seen this wick here, previous pull downs from previous sells at 1673, which I believe we call. Now we've seen it retest. See right there? That's a big retracement, huge retracement actually. Now, technically this hour we should just sell off completely, 100%. We've seen it wick, and then we've seen it drop down, make lows here, and we've seen it pull up this hour. And where have we seen it do? I pull up this hour, respect that body like a bitch. Now what's happened? We've break below. Now we continue to sell, make lows at 1631, and then we'll see what happens when we go there. This is just simple trading, man. Honestly, it's just simple. You know you've been hurting. Let me pull up this hour and where we see it do. Pull up this hour. Edit video. Let me put my thumbnail on because your boy DJ. We'll just see it. We'll see it bounce off this next hour. Watch. This 15 minutes candle. We'll just continue to sell. Let's go, let's go, let's go. As I said, it was always going to sell. Let me get up the chat again. Grandpa and someone else, that's how it is. Damn. Yo. Well, don't worry about the videos, man. I hope the grandpa, you know, has a recovery, starts to show signs of getting better. Fingers crossed, mate. You just gonna go see him? Is he at home? It's just such an easy sell, man. This is a huge trade. Look at that, man. Big sells. Just below. Look at that tight SL, man. This trade comes in, it's a huge trade. 21-22% trade. Here we go. Let's sell off. It's Chewy had cancer for 11 years. He's off meds now. Mate, Jesus Christ, man. Oh, he's been through a lot, man. That's insane. I hope he starts feeling better. That's all you can hope for, man. Any ill person just wants to feel a bit better, you know what I'm saying? So... if the music sounds, volume's good, let me know. Should all be sound. We don't want to see it reject there though, that would just be devastating. Because look, the thing is, this could just be pullbacks for further pullback up here, you know, look at the 1H. From when we sold. We sold up here, now we sold here, now we'll sell here. So this could reject at any given point. That's why I had take profit at 1631. Well, 1632. So that's 1631. So we'll obviously see how it will react. Some rejection here, but as I put this out, this is just potential retest. Now we should see it sell off again. So like if you're a scalper and you believe that gold was going to continue to sell, you would do something like this. Above the high. That's not good though, is it? Let's be honest. At 15 minutes, bro. Jumping in another sell. $34.50. Probably could hit a sell, but if it does, then I'll close my other one. Just scalping it right now. Scalp trading. Technically, I understand about this 15 minutes. So it can either go either way, but we're already holding this anyway. And currently, that sort of trade right there. Yo, it's still a 3% trade. So, even if this hits a sell for -1%, we've got this for +3, so we still made 2% on the overall sales. And it's a scalp entry as well, and plus this is like a easy 5%, around about 5%. This is why trading is important, to be on the charts if you want to do this sort of trading. We caught buys this morning. Caught some nice buys this morning as well. We entered at 16.35, so around this level here. We're expecting it to reject it, you know. It's come down, pulled back up. If it doesn't reject on this 5 mins, if we start to pull up at our entry again, then we have to pull out, because we don't want this candle to respect there. We want it to actually sell off. Nah, it's not required, mate. It's not required, mate. Because we could easily retest here, but I still have my trade, so I'm happy for now. So strong farmers. Do you have a course? I don't sell courses, mate. It's just live trading is the best. So like, if you do like one-to-one lessons or anything, live lessons, then it's obviously the best, because it'll be like live streaming right now, but you're actually getting in with your phone, so you're probably making money. If you're learning and not doing it, then it's fine. How you seeing is this 15 minutes? Is this the push up, and now we're gonna push above and retrace back to 1640 and make highs back to 1645. That's where gold's probably gonna go, because we pulled back lows. We want it to reject a bit more, but obviously look at this bullish engulfing 15 and 1630. You're thinking, is this wick the wick of the change in direction? Could be, high possibility. We need this trade to pull back more here. Because this is just a retracement, 1940 to 1932, 8 pip pullback. It's quite a good pullback, you know. If we don't see any sell momentum now, I'll close it. So I'll close both. So I'm getting ready. So what I do is I'll just wait. Where's the webcam? It's here. Hello, sorry, I forgot about the webcam. Now we're seeing it push up, so it's most likely going to be go into a buy, but as I said, we're still holding. I haven't hit SL yet, which is a good sign. Still haven't hit SL yet. We still haven't hit SL yet. Come on, boys. Fucking believe in yourselves. Further pullbacks. That was just a big retracement. If not, then obviously 1945's next target. So, you know, we've seen it pull here. Oh, you would want it to pull below the bullish engulfing, really, or at the body. So quite a weird point. That's why I'm still holding the sells. Still like thinking it's kind of a weird place just to go. But then again, this wick and then rejection of the body of the wick is just a retracement in. It's just a clear show of direction change. So, oh shit, what am I doing? So we get closed out here, we close the sells, make the 2%, and then jump in buys. Basically what you do. But obviously we hold still. See if this was just a fake bullish retracement. I'll be really annoyed if we come to that wick there, which is RSL, and then it rejects. Hopefully we just reject now, but let's see. I mean, mate, look at the 1H. We made lows 1621 after a push down from 1926. We come up, so we've come up and sold, which is the sells that I caught. 1648. Next retracement would be around 1645. But if you look at the daily, if you're thinking of this daily, right, I just hit a sell, so I closed my previous buys. I closed my sells, sorry, and then jump in buys from here, really. Oh, for fuck's sake. Quick. There we go. Now we see it. This will just push up now. So we got closed out there, minus 1%, but closed for this for plus 2%. New 15 minutes is bullish. That was it. So this is what I'm doing. So we just jump in buys now. Oh, wrong one. Like this. Technically, if this 15 minutes flies up, then we've got a great trade. If not, then it's further pullbacks. So like previous highs respected of the bodies here. So this is how like you got to try to think whilst you're trading. Previous highs there, then it made lows. So is this just a price retracement here? for further sells back down. Oh, it's looking like it. From when it sold here, respect it. Markets like to move mad. You still gotta think though, boys. You can't let it take you down. If you need to join the free trade so you see the actual trade. This could hit SL, but we'll see what happens, innit? The risk to reward's too good, if I'm honest with you. It's 20 to 1. It's a 20 to 1. It's a 20 to 1. So basically I'm jumping in buys here with a 5 pip stop loss. I got 100 pip take profit. We've seen lows get created here. Yeah, it might not wick out at 1635, and if it doesn't, that'll be annoying. But if you're looking at this 15 minutes, we've already pushed above. We only need one more bit of bullish momentum, and then we make new highs above 1635. If we come back down to 1634, then we close. So right now, I might as well just go home. Oh my god. 10 minutes. Alright, that's it. Take me for my money. Oh my god. Oh mate, it's so bearish, mate. Honestly, this fucking trade, bruv. Why does this 30 minutes do that? Honestly, this whole 30 minutes, 16:35, 15 mins. Previous highs found resistance, pushed down. Lows were here, 16. Then it pushed up. Pulled back down, made lows here, and then pull back up again, and then sold. 30 minutes, 10 minutes left. When you're looking at the 30 minutes, mate, it just makes, yeah, it's just selling off still. It's just, why would it pull back down to 1633.50? Oh, look at that. This is going to 1631. Fuck's sake, man. It's gonna go 1631 and then fucking sell, buy again. I'll have to make it back. I'm gonna make it back on the 1631s anyway, but it's just annoying. The thing is, it's gonna sell right now. We just gotta wait. What percent am I up, such down today? Basically, I got finessed by market direction. Yeah, it's gonna continue down. Yeah, 100%, mate. It's so fucking annoying, bro. I had sales at 16.35.50, and I had a 5 pip sell. I had sales here. I had this trade. It's all good, it's all good. Yo, what's up, Danny? How you doing anyway? It's all good, it's all good. Yo, it's annoying, but we move. No, that's a 9% trade as well. That's just the annoying thing about it. Oh my god. Mate, I fucking knew it, bro. Like, there's just no way this was gonna reject. See that lower high right there? There was just no way that was the rejection point in the market. Has to go down to 16.31.50. I'm just an idiot then. That's much better. I get weird, like, on my YouTube channel, right, on my TJFX Reacts, I get live streamers come up all the time, and I wonder who they are, because I don't look at the market, you know. Yo, what's up, Jan? I don't look up the market, so there's so many people that say they can trade and stuff, you know what I mean? The industry's like crowded with them. Mate, this is fucking triggering. It's gonna, this hour, the next like 4 minutes, we're gonna just keep pushing down. Oh, no worries, Tiger, my guy. I'm gonna ask free trades, right? Link is down below in the description. Jan, how's life been treating you, mate? Have you been working hard or have you just been drinking? 16.32. What's up, boys? Oh, what's up, Joey the Trader? How you doing, mate? 16. Mate, I can't believe I just closed this 9 to 1. Fucking dickhead. Guys, where do you reckon gold's going to? Mate, I didn't. I go to bed early on a Sunday. Is this hour failing to break? I reckon we're gonna sell. Fail to. If this goes up here, that's gonna be crazy. You would think like 1633.70, but we already sold up there. Technically, it has to go into like sales next hour. %43% of people think it's going further now. Mate, I'm telling you, gold is going here. Like right now, that is just crazy. I still think this is a sell. 100%. That can't be the fucking... That can't be the collection there. No way. Maybe it is. I jumped in a sell quick. I'm just gonna see. 1634 and my SL 1634.50. It's a 4-to-1. It's just a quick 4-to-1. If it closes me out here, then I'm just gonna take it like a man and walk away until buy limit 1632 comes in. But I'm expecting some sort of rejection here, right at this level, and then a huge sell. So when people jump in, obviously, it's just with gold spreads as well, can be risky with tight SLs, especially with sells. But that's the whole point with this trade, you know, it's tight SL, tight TP, following trend. 1, 2 is, if this is the third candle that goes bullish, then it's going to run to 1645, and that is just bullshit. I'm still at 1634. Would have hit SL due to spreads, I reckon. There's just no way. A scammer would say they're still in this trade. But let's be honest, mate. Gold spreads. Oh. I trade only gold, mate, yeah. Only gold. What's up, Denzel? This is still bearish. Once this 5 minutes, once this 15 minutes candle breaks out, then gold's going to 1645 and I'm just gonna stop trading. Nah, it's just dead. Yeah, this is gonna run bull. Just should sell off, but it just won't, will it? Mate, that fucking, how is that? Like, this isn't a buy. Like, where is that finding any sort of fucking orders there? Yeah, 100%. Like, how that's not finding any orders. I don't know if it's possible. It has to retrace back up to 1645. The way that this is respecting, it's just gonna... Oh my god. That's running bullish. That is fucking running bullish, mate. I tell you what, this is what I can't watch fucking 5 minutes, I swear now. Highest created, that's a retracement from previous lows. This is being respected as of yet. We got what? 6 minutes. It's gonna just sell from here. I just told people if they're not in this trade, make sure they're in and just move SL to 1634.70 so that they don't get tapped out. Because I know there'll be traders, right, who say, oh no, it hasn't hit SL, but like, I'm not a dickhead. This trade probably has hit SL for most people because there's shit spreads on these shit brokers. So like, yo, we ain't out here trying to trick people into thinking that we're hitting trades when we're not. You gotta be honest with yourself, mate. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, we tell them to get back in. We say, yo, you might be out because of spreads. You might not, but just get in now. You're gonna make some profit. That is all you need to worry about. As long as you make profit at the end of the day, yo, you can hit an SL, you can hit 2 SLs, 3 SLs. You're making 9 to 1, you're making a 4 to 1. You're gonna catch a 1632 all the way to 1645 today. That's 100 pips. You could do that with 10 pip SL, that's 10%. Do it with 5 pip SL, that's 5%. And to be fair, you want to try and get your buys in at 1631.50, 1632, and 1631. You can have 3 lots of buys. I'm gonna go in 3 lots of buys. I don't think gold's selling off all the way. Obviously, you can see the daily. Obviously, you can see the daily, right? But I think daily's gonna, just because open bullish doesn't mean it is bullish. So we could just continue to sell off, which is why I need to see how it reacts. Need to see how it reacts to 1631 because it will push up, then pull back again. That's a great 15-minute rejection though. That's made me so much fucking happier. Holy shit, man. Yo, if you are new around here, subscribe, like the content. Join up the free trades. Sometimes we hit sales, most of the times it's take profits, but you know, trading's trading, man. Shit's volatile. I put your channel on Instagram, bro. Yo, thank you, Joey, man. You didn't have to. What's your Instagram? Put it in the channel, man. Get some subs. Try and get. I'll follow you. Alright, next 3 minutes, we need to see big sells, otherwise we close the entry. If you look, stagger. We look again, stagger. Previous lower highs not being taken out, stagger. That's not good. Previous 15 minutes, we pulled up, pulled back. 31. See, we need to sell here. If we don't sell here, then we close. If we sell here, we can still hold this trade. We just need to see if it rejects this 34 point back down again. If it doesn't come back down, then it's not a sell. If we sell right here, then it's going to continue selling. And this is just bullshit, and it is bullshit. There's no reason why this lower high should be respected here. Like, that's just fucking, that's so just BS, man. I don't know why it's taken a while to sell though, and it seems to be respecting, but look, as I said, we don't want to we don't want to come do, we didn't want to do that basically, but fuck it. Obviously bull staggers, and it could be a reversal. 1, 2, 3. We ain't broken out of 1634.50 yet. Be annoying if the gold doesn't go long here. If gold goes on here though, low key, because I wanted to catch buys to 1645, and this is just going long to the point where there's no return. pull back below, then long, need to close. Gonna make a quick video so people understand what the fuck just went on, because that's just complete bullshit. Nah, I don't think so, Ben, man. I don't think so. I think it's just done exactly what, like, I'm gonna explain it now live. You ready for this? It's gonna be freestyled as well, like always. Okay, it's your boy TJ. I just wanted to show you this trade. Obviously, we had buys this morning, closed for profit. Then we called sells, closed for profit. And then, you know, we're in some buys and sells, closed for about -3% in the end, in total on them sells and buys. Obviously, we closed some sells for some quick percent, which was nice. But the reason why this is quite dodgy right now is because when you're looking at this 1H, you're seeing buys pull up from 1620 to 1640. Now obviously retest has to be in place. Now if we're thinking buys back up to around 1645, previous highs from yesterday, from when we sold at 1648.50 down to lows. Now the retracement would be the lower high at 1643, or the body or the wick from when it then break, retest, then sold from 1645. Now this is why this 1H is a complete BS 1H, because we've seen gold go this morning 1640, now retest, and if we're thinking 1645, we're now thinking where is it going to retest to? You'll be looking at pull below, but that's kind of noise. But you can have something like that shaped out if it makes you feel safer, but in the end of the day it means nothing. The areas you need to be looking at, if you go on the daily, okay, is you need to see what's going on today. Now today 1640, that's the push down, push up for a collection of orders, then bigger sales. You're seeing this is just a retest. That is a retest. Now that's why you're thinking, okay, yeah, gold could go to 1945 only on the 1H where it's thinking retest. But if we're actually looking at the overall market direction, we're seeing dailies already push up and then sell off. We haven't seen price pull back, and we saw a clear wick out at the top here, and then price could not break. You could even say shoulder and then wick. So therefore you're looking at this 15 minutes as pure bullshit. So you're jumping in sales, right? And I'm actually going to get in jumping in sales right here, right now, whilst I'm talking. Now you want the SL to just be over this wick. Now as I said to you, this 15 minutes, that's bullshit. 1, 2, 3 is bullshit. These low highs are complete bullshit. I'm going to hope for like a 35 retest. But who knows, okay? I'm going to hope for 35 retest to actually enter. And the reason why it's bullshit, if you're looking at the 1H, right? The previous lower high doesn't even take out previous bullish engulfing at 1631 on the 1H to 1640. Now, if we're thinking it's going to be over a 1645, you're thinking pullbacks to at least 1631. But now you're seeing the daily, and you're thinking, actually on this daily, we have sold off from 1675 all the way down to 1620, but we've rejected the 1645. So that's why when you're thinking about how gold's going to move, if you're looking at it as in it's a buy on the 1H, you're thinking, okay, this can't be the retest at 1632.50. It has to come to the body or the wick at 1631, because that is where the liquidity grab is. So now I would jump in sales now and have a sell nice and tight so you can get some good R to R. That's what I would do anyway. Obviously, it just makes no sense why gold would find bullish momentum here. I know you got the push up, and this is where highs were created. Let me just show you. Highs were created here. So that was a previous breakout. So then you're looking at, okay, previous breakout here, previous breakout here. This is where I can collect my buys. But that's why, you know, gold's at a very, very weird place. right now, because if you're looking at it in an overall market direction on the daily, you're thinking it's definitely a sell. If you're looking on the 1H, you're thinking on the 1H we could easily push back up to 1645 as we've made lows already. There's no way to collect orders at 1645 right here. There's no way to at 1640 to collect orders. Therefore, we're going to be retracing back up to the previous highs at 1645 wick, where it'll come back up here. So maybe it's using the lows of the highs push up, using that as support, and then buys back up. And it's annoying for me as a trader who was in sales, and also I wanted to catch buys at 1632. That's where I wanted to catch buys. I didn't think gold would retrace back up like this, if I'm honest with you. I thought we would at least come down to 1632 slash 1631.40, which is the previous level highs of the bullish engulfing. Now, in fairness, we could sell here also, because previous wick body rejection, but we've also seen that before, but we could see rejection in this. This is why it's if you believe this trade is noise or not. But yeah, it's just hard to, obviously I'm not gonna FOMO in, but like we made highs. This is like a good entry point for sells, I'm not even joking. Like gold isn't going to sell here. If you look on the 1H, this 1H has got to break below to 31. I'm telling you, in the next 40 minutes, we're going to break below here. We're going to sell here and then break below, I'm telling you. I'm telling you facts, guys. Right, I'll tell you my entry and stuff. Ready? Let me click sell. 9.6. 1635.50 entry. $16.36. I'm gonna have my SL 16.36 for 5 pip SL, but I'm moving it to 16.36.30 just because of spreads. I'm in profit right now. Mate, it's good R to R as well, that's the thing. Let's see what the R to R is. That's the thing, man, the R to R is insane. So like, I don't even care if I hit a sell, because I'm gonna get it back. I'm up anyway. The buys are coming in, I'm telling you. This is just noise. It has to be noise. This has to be noise. Honestly, we've seen it wick below. There's no collections here. So that's pure noise. So this is where you scalp your entries in for sells. I just FOMO'd in. Yeah, man, 100%. 1632 is the best buy position. So right now, you're looking at this wick. We've seen rejection on the body, and now we just completely plummet. And it's one of those trades where you just can't. Once it goes, it goes. And if gold does go up here, which it shouldn't, I'm not even gonna lie, it just shouldn't. And if it does, that means that lower high there was just that is it. That's the change in direction. That'd be crazy. That should be nuts. It makes no sense. Guys who trade knows that makes no sense. My SL was 36.30, so that's only because of spreads. Obviously, I want to keep the 5%, so I do lose a bit of R to R. But yo, these markets, they're manipulative. You know what I mean? I have 30.30 just in case, because right now, if we was in these cells, which we are, we would have just got tapped out. So me having it just a little bit higher, I do add some extra percent. It's an extra 0.5, but it allows me to keep my good R to R. As I said, in the end of the day, the trade's a banning trade. There's no reason for this trade to go long from this point. It's just going to continue to sell. And that's why also for people that are watching, they can enter these trades and make bread. You just gotta play it safe, you know. Also, when I was putting this trade down, I did say SL 1636.30. Even though we're calculating it to 36, 5 pip SL. That's just for the risk to reward. I allow myself the extra 0.5% because it's a sell. The spreads on brokers are just terrible. Like every single broker with spreads on sells, they try and fuck you so hard. They just do. Now when you're looking at the 5 mins, we need to break below the bodies at 16.30, 5.30, which technically anyway this should go to 16.35 within the next 3 minutes. Otherwise it is a buy, and you could probably close for 36 and just take the -1% instead of the -1.5%. That's how you manage your trades, because you're looking at the highs here. If it comes back up, then you want to kind of close. Nerve-wracking this is, because it's close to the 3 minutes of the new 15 and 30. If you look at the 30 here, we wicked above 16.35.70, but I'm just looking at the 15, I'm looking at the 1H. I'm still seeing that this is pure bullshit, even though it's respected the bodies, which is why it's kind of annoying. I wanted the next 30, the next 30 minutes must just sell off, surely. We're going to know in the next 2 minutes if it hits a sell or not, because basically if it's a buys now to 16.45 and that daily is just, that's not actually going to continue sells, then yeah, we'll literally see this 1H close and then respect and just fly on the body. we won't even see it sell. Like, it's not going to sell anymore, because if you look at the 15, lower high, candle opened, we saw bullish, has to pull back below the 35, otherwise it's buys all the way to 16.45. And then now you just like, that is so triggering though. That should never have happened. Oh, that's annoying. That is annoying. It's now just buys to 16.45. Fuck's sake. The thing is, my analysis was, the only reason I took that SL is because I wanted 16.31.30 to 16.32. There's just no fucking way that lower high at 16.32.50 is the candle. There's just no, like, I just know, guys, that that's not the real direction. But it has to be. And then when you're looking at the 5 mins, previous 5 min body highs, 1 min, previous lower highs. And what I say, the next 30 mins, pull back. Now we should just fly this hour. If it's going to 16.45, this whole 30 minutes will be bullish. So like, this is where you would now jump in again with a 10 pip SL and try and get a 10% trade. You get me? Like this. You're going like this now, okay? So you have a 10 pip stop loss, take profit. You have 16. Mate, actually, you don't even need a 10 pip stop loss. This is going to be peak for the people that aren't watching my stream right now, who haven't entered yet. Nah, it's not patience, bro. I know overall market direction. It's not difficult. I told you. And that's the thing. I've got like a tight SL now. And now this half an hour will just run straight buys. Patience, TJ, patience. It's not patience, Ben. It's overall market direction, mate. This 1 hour wouldn't have gone bullish for half hour. Oh. You gotta look at the 1H, mate, and you just gotta look at this daily and just think, yo, it's not happening. Basically, with the trade copier, we had a bunch of people join, so have to add all the accounts onto the copier, which is fine. So if you guys want to be obviously in these trades, like we passed a few people already today. Look, see this trades? It should just break out, and if it comes back, then we just close. But you're running plus like 13, 14 pips, so you're running plus like 2% already. Gold flying now to 16.45. Never come down to 16.31.30 or 16.32, which is why I kept selling. Triggered. I just told people just make sure they're in and just to get that TP smashed. I know price could, if it doesn't break out at 16.38, then I'll close, but yo, mate, don't even fucking say that. Why am I jinxing this? Mate, I'm looking at the times in the 15 minutes, mate, and I'm just thinking previous highs, previous lows, price retracement, fake out, wick, fake out, sells here. We need this to take out in the next like minute. If it starts selling off here, then we've got to close. Basically want this new 15 minutes to open up on the top of the candle to then do a breakout like this, which is what it's doing. Thank fuck. Then it opens and it breaks above to 16.40 with flying profit, and it's an untouchable trade. Ready? It's coming. New 15 minutes is coming. Open above. I also can't believe that this found support here. Like, what the fuck even is that, bruv? Like, what actually is that? And if that is just fake, for example, right, 16.31's here. If this is fake, 1H bullish, it's pure manipulation, and also that means the trade will come back down to 16.41.50, and this was just a retracement back up to wick out all of the previous sellers, eyeing up for New York session. 1, 2, 3. It's just, mate, honestly, when you just trade like day trading, in and out of trades, and like if you observe the market to where like your decision that you're in, try and go against it, you know what I mean? Like, how can this not come in? Oh, this can't come in because, you know, if we break below, then we're kind of changing market direction on the small time frame, and also that's bullshit. I can't believe like this trade, man. I actually can't believe this. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say though? Like how this trade just found, apart from the previous breakout highs, yeah, and then it found wicked and found support. Like, come on, that never really happens. It's always the bodies, the wicks. It does happen to the highs, but not all the time. Here we go, breaking out now. I'm attempting to trade. No problem, she's down to roll. It was BS. That was BS, bro. But that makes me believe that this isn't gonna sell. This is gonna sell. Sorry, and not buy. But yo, I'm just gonna see if it breaks out with 16.38, which is really struggling to. Funny enough, and it's not that funny. But can you imagine if this candle? Look at it now, Ben. This candle, right? Imagine it. Go up, 1, 2, 3 touch, Put all the way back down to 1631 now. Mate, I'm telling you, that is fucking happening. I actually believe it's like, that's bullshit. Close the buys, close the buys, close the buys. Just close the buys, 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 close the buys. It's bullshit. I'm telling you that there's no way that trade. There's no way this fucking trade, yeah, found support here. I'm telling you facts. It's bullshit. Watch. Close your buys. I'm telling you, it's bullshit. I've been training for too long. It's bullshit. You'll see it. You'll see it sell off, and you'll be like, holy shit. TJ was right. Yeah, I was right. I'm always right. Watch. 60 pip trade. Yeah. SL 1638.20. It's a 7 pip SL. Has to get wicked out. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. This is bullshit. Watch this 1H sell now. I'm telling you. Facts. I'm telling you facts. If you aren't in sells, just jump in a fucking sell now. Honestly. Everyone jump in the sells. On my life. It's selling off. On my life. If it doesn't sell off, then, you know, take me. Watch. Everyone should have good entry. Come back to entry. Move a cell just above, just in case of the fucking wick. Here we go, you ready? Next 18 minutes, big sells all the way back down. Watch. Watch. And this is only because I've been training for a long time. Oh! He says. He fucking says. Nah, I swear down. It makes no sense if not. That's bullshit. I believe, yeah, 1 hour comes up, pulls all the way back down, you know. Yes, I understand this 1H found buys, found support on the body of the wick, but that wick's not collected anything. Like, I don't get it. Like, that wick's just there. It's just there on the market doing nothing. Therefore, that buy was just manipulation to wick every previous setter out that was scalping. Now we see the fat sells, then we see the fat buys push up from 1940. That's how we gotta look at it. Sometimes, you know, when you think you just gotta, I just don't even know, man. You just gotta make up loads of different scenarios about a trade and then give out the best possible analysis. It's like pros and cons, and then if you're critical about your trading, like with yourself, then you can't lose. Yeah, Joey, facts, bro. Bro, look, 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes, pushed up, pushed down, 1, 2, 3, pullback, retracement, because it's a BS momentum, mate. 15 minutes, watch it sell below 1635, and everyone's like, oh my god, we're running 7 pip SL and we're up 50 pips. Man, we're rich. Straightforward. I mean, that ain't stupid. Watch this. Next 15 minutes sells. Watch. From this body, 15 minutes sells. Watch. We'll see instant sells. And then everyone will be like, oh, I wish I entered. He says. He says, anyway. Guys, you should have told me about that. This was dragged out more than the screen was. Yeah, it was Ben. It actually was BS. Shit never really happens, really. But that's why, because it's BS, and we're calling... Oh. Sorry, guys. Fucking gotta stop touching that, man. Because we're calling that bullshit, that means this whole bullish move is bullshit. Means that is all bullshit. So now see this, we should just instant sell now. We should instantly sell and not pull up. It should just be straight sells, because that mapped out on the screen is fake. It's fake news. Because this is the area of the next collection. Because it's the lower highs and the bodies of the push up. Previous lower push up. That is retracing to where? Exactly. Like, where the fuck has that even come from? It's come from, it's come to trick the market, mate. It's come to take people's monies. I hope it sells off. I'm not even joking. And this is why, look, see I'm saying I hope this sells off. I'm not even joking. Because in the end of the day, guys, it's just your guy TJ who trades by himself. You know what I'm saying? Like, you self-taught. You self-taught. I self-teach myself, you know. Ain't nobody got time to follow signals, man. I self-teach myself, and then that's how you guys can learn from me. You know, it's just fucking organic. This is organic, and the only reason I would know that this is fake buys, and then in the next 14 minutes we're gonna see it sell all the way to take profit, is because I've been trading a long time and being fucked over multiple times by how the markets move. So, you know, you just gotta learn from mistakes, weigh out pros and cons, believe in yourself, have faith, man. And then you just look at other stuff like this. 15 minutes, right? We're currently 2 minutes into this 15 minutes. If we don't sell past this, okay, then we close. If you watch this candle break below this, then it's a sell. And you'll see it within the space of 3 seconds. Not 3 seconds, I'm joking, but like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You'll just see it continue to run bearish, sorry. And just plummet down, not stagger, all stagger, like that. Golds, if you just look, 5 minutes. I'll just use this. Wicked up, respected, pull back down. Mate, I've never bought a course. I actually don't think I could buy a course, just because, like, in the end of the day, man, everyone's self-taught slash, how the hell has that happened? Everyone's self-taught slash followed probably shitter traders, so like I give myself credit that I can trade. So why should I listen to someone? Why should I pretend that this guy can actually trade if I know I can actually trade? You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, there's other strategies you can kind of learn about other things. Looks like God has chosen you with that bright light. Fingers crossed, mate. Let's hope so, Tiggy Fav. Come on, man. We gotta see it push below 1636. But also, because you got entry up here, we don't need to stress. If we see it come past, then we just close. But you're looking at how it descends down. So if it pushes above entry up here, then yeah, you just close out straight away. You could even move SL to like 1637.80, something like this. With using tighter sells, you don't want to take big losses. You don't want to take any losses really, because obviously pips are important when you're using tighter sells. And when you're looking at the 15 minutes, that is clear rejection from previous highs. Got to see how this play out. Like I said, I wanted this hour to sell completely because I think it's fake sells. I think this 1 hour's fake sells. We don't want this next 10 minutes just to run bullish and tap us out, right? So now we close and we just get out of the market. Mate, this is it's fucking ball aching me, I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. Mate, I don't even think 1813 got touched, but I swear, man. That's fucking selling. Holy shit. That fucking needs to sell. 1, 2, 3 sells. I fucking swear now. I swear down, man. I need percent. Oh, I need percent, please. Please. Please, if I can catch this and then catch the buyers, I'll be so fucking rich. Because Monday wasn't the best of days. Today's got to be a bad day. Today has to be a bad day, and I know it's going to be a bad day. This is fucking peak, man. This is so peak. But I'm thinking, right, new 8 minutes until 15. It's pretty much make or break. I don't actually want to even watch this trade right now. I'm up 5 pips, but I don't even want to watch this trade right now. I'd much rather this just fucking... I can't believe it didn't fucking tap us out as well. Holy shit. Mate, I can't believe it didn't tap us out. Holy shit, mate. If you don't know luck, mate, that was luck. If you want to know what luck was, this 15-minute candle was fucking luck. Because what I'm thinking here is... If it starts to push up, yeah, and we don't see any bearish, it has to come back down to 1636. Like, if you're scalping this trade like I am right now, and you're just listening to the market, yeah, you have to sell. We have to sell now. The next 7 minutes, right? If we do not sell, this will it'll tap us out. It's gonna tap us out. I'm a trader, Joey, mate. I've got water on demand, guys. I've got water on demand, mate. You just got to look at the staggers, look at the lower highs. But 15 min candle failed to make new highs of this, which is why this 15-minute candle in the next 7 minutes has to run bearish. If it doesn't, we have to close, man. And it's scary because our entry's there and the candle's there. So, like, low key, you kind of got a share entry. We need to enter the top of this candle. That's 1638, but we move. It's not the worst. It's just because of tight SL. Only because of a tight SL, and that's why we believe in the gods. We believe in the Forex gods. We believe in the signal. We believe in ourselves. overall direction, it's got to be sells. It's got to come back down here, man. That's bullshit. Please. Please sell off. Like, hard sell. I'm talking like 50 pip sell right now. 100%. 50 pip big sells. Mate, I'd even take 10 pip sell. Because they're staggering. See the 1 mins? It staggers. Has to sell. Has to sell. Can't go any higher. If it goes, oh, I can't go any higher. That's it. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's emotional trading right now. There's just no way that fucking 1631 finger here, the body or the lower high. There's just no way. Really, that this breakout is where it found collection of orders. Just have a day off. Have a day off. Let's sell here, baby. Come on. Big sells down now, baby. Come on. At the body. At the body. Come on. At the body. Huge sells back down. 12 o'clock. Mate, oh, I don't know about you guys, but all I see is buys, mate. That is just not selling. It's just not selling. It makes me wanna just. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. What is that? What is that? Fucking cat thing. Tiggy, honestly, it's actually quite worrying if that's stressing you out with Zen music on. Now, it's only stressing you out because of the emotions with trading. Now, that's because you're listening to what I'm saying and you're hearing facts and it's scaring you. It's scaring you. That's why. Now, you need to buy my course. It's how to not stress out, but how to stress. Now, it's $19.99 on discount right now. Used to be £2,000, but $19.99 discount right now. If you click on the TJFX bot, /start, open him up, right? No, Tiggy, you need to understand, this is a $19.99 special offer deal. How to not get stressed out whilst trading. Okay, it's the best course, honestly. I think, right? Your psychology was going there, Tiggy. Your psychology was definitely going there, and you got a bit worried, you got a bit scared. I was calm. You know, that was just all, it was an act. It was an act, and, you know, I passed with flying colours, you know. You said I was stressing you out, and now I'm about to get a $19.99 course order for psychology. Thank you. The course is designed for beginners, Tiggy. It's only to expert traders like myself. You know, it's not going to do anything. These beginner courses, it will do a lot for you, my friend, because obviously, you know, we're at different levels right now with trading, as we've just demonstrated with the psychology battle that you just had with yourself. Emotions as well can play a part. Guys, click on the bot, TFX. Special offer, $19.99, okay? And it's a guaranteed to level up your trading. And when I mean level up, we're talking about Mamba FX level, we're talking about Swaggy C level, we're talking about that Lambo Raw, you know, iced out rich watch car selling money. You know what I'm saying? We're talking the big boy bucks. Who says I'm a beginner? There we go. There we go. That is what a beginner would say. See, they're in denial, Tiggy, now. It's just getting... Tiggy, honestly, I need to open up another package for you, my friend. I need to open up another package for you. Let me just speak to the invite bot people. Get another subscription plan made up. Yo, what's up, Denzel? I love the name Denzel, by the way. It's a sick name. We are talking Denzel FX level. All jokes aside, though. All jokes aside, I'm trying not to hold my breath right now. Fuck. Hour, look at that hour, mate. I'm not gonna lie, right? This hour, British engulfing, it's BS. I only see profit, baby. All jokes aside, though, likely will close this trade. If it doesn't sell off, you know, then we're chilling. Yes, sir. Here comes the volume. Here comes the volume. Yo, Tiggy, if you can put your calls down below in the chat, I'll happily buy it, bro. Thank you. I need the expert. I need the expert. Oh my god, just telling me to chill. It's a good trade. Chill, it's a good trade. Chill, it's a good trade. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Bro, I see no bearish. I see no bearish, mate. All I see is staggering lower highs. No lower highs being taken out. I've just... Oh my god. I'm having heart palpitations. No, I'm joking. It's fine. Right, we move. We wait. Obviously, guys, we don't stress, innit? I don't, yeah, no, same. Gold's not gonna drop, mate, I'm telling you. It would have dropped. That's previous. I'm telling you, Tiggy. Whatever you do, make sure you hold your cells. Don't even. I'm only playing around. Obviously, I will tell you when to close it if I close it. I try and mess with my viewers' psychology. The thing is, it's high impact news, right? All I'm thinking is, right, honestly, this 1H. Maybe that is the support of the support. Hello? Tiggy? Tiggy? I'm allowed to disagree with myself, brother, because I know how to trade. The thing is, you've got to. It's not about believing in your trade, Tiggy. There's a break and retest. 1945 is the next retest. Sells here are dangerous. Look at the 1H. Pull back, then respect. Look at the 15 mins. Look at the 15 mins. 1, 2, 3. Now we pray. Now we pray. Now we pray. Now we pray. I try and get some cardio done whilst I train. Yeah, I'll take it. I got quite emotional then. I'm sorry, mate. Oh my god. Yo, Joey, your wish has been commanded. I'm holding it, brother. 30.0 lot size. I've got cells on, okay? Okay? I'm going to walk to the front door. And when I'm at the front door, yeah, I'm going to do some gardening. And then I'm going to come back. And if gold has hit my SL, Joey, yeah, and not my take profit, I'm going to be losing 8,000 pounds. Guys, I was just pretending, okay? Now I'm going to go walk to the front door. Okay, I'm going to do what Joey tells me. Because Joey thinks he knows what he's doing. Joey thinks he knows how to trade. So... Yo, Ben, you don't want to sit here, bro. I'm in drawdown. Guys, make sure you're in these cells. Facts. I call cap. Funny. Cool cab. Who do you think I am? Yo, at least I don't have my own Forex broker and fake withdrawals. What do you mean? Yeah, but Joey, I'm not gonna lie, mate. This is fucking... Yo, that was the support. This trade is gonna hit a sell. But I'm holding because the boys are saying hold. No, it's not gonna ping to... Bro, if it pings to my SL, it's SL. The trades are buy. The trades are buy. I don't know why I listen to... I don't know why I'm listening. I don't know. I just don't know why you just can't let me be my own trader when I stream. I said, guys, it's gonna buy, it's respecting here. And then what do you guys do? No, it's not TJ. No, it's not TJ. It's definitely SL TJ. Definitely SL TJ. Do you know what? Do you know what that could have been? Do you know what that could have been? Do you know how many pips that was? Do you know what that could have done to my account? It's a 16 to 1. It's a 16 to 1. And who did that? It's a 16 to 1. Watch it. Previous high to high. And it will go up here. Watch it. Ready? Watch it just reject here. Watch it reject this level. 38. That's another scalp. Oh my god. No. 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 Joey's fucking cursed, bro. What the fuck, Joey? I'm getting in cells. What the fuck is wrong with my... What is wrong? What is actually fucking wrong? What is wrong with the markets? Mates. Premium price. Talk about premium price. Premium price. Premium price, mate. That's fucking disgusting. That is disgusting price. Mate, Joey. Dirty price. Yo, the thing is, where is it found support at? Right there, 37, one each. Where is it? 37. I don't even fucking care, man. I don't even care at this point. I don't even care at this point. That's a wick. That's a wick out, isn't it? Let's be honest. That's just fucking wicked out. That's a... Because, guys, you gotta look at trading like this. Yo, what's up, Bailey? Yo, attempting to trade. I've been trying to use tighter cells, to be fair. It's been kind of jarring. Did me well. That is just so unlucky, man, honestly. It's gonna sell here, facts. That's just jarring though. Oh well. You move. Alright, well I'm gonna leave this on. Mate, 1631. Okay, down here on a 1H. Yo, it's gonna come down here before 1631.30. It's gonna sell. I'm jumping in cells. Fuck it. Everyone jump in cells. Everyone jump in cells. Everyone just jump in cells. That's bullshit. It's a break and retest. It's a break and retest. Joey. Alright, I'll leave it open then. I'll just leave it open, okay? Because right now, yeah, I have no idea why gold didn't go to 1631.30. No idea. It's just bullshit. It's all bullshit. 1640, fine. 1645, fine. 1632.50, not okay. Terrible. No, SL isn't about to get taken. SL isn't about... Joey, do not come in here with that negativity. SL isn't going to get taken out. Okay? SL isn't going to get taken out. Don't you come in it... Bro, it's going to sell off. It's going to sell off. This 15 minutes, mate. We're going to see pure sells. It's going to be sniper entry sells. Just keep selling until account blows. Exactly. Teach me one day. Yeah, okay. Bro, I know gold's gonna come up to 1645, mate. I wanted 1632. It's just, but 1632 just never come in. That's it's unfortunate. 1631, sorry, 30. It's unfortunate. 15 minutes are just staggering. So yeah, it is buyers. Yo, Mayfo, no, bro, no, it's not. It's not. These aren't on the copiers. The copier isn't on right now. We already passed people this morning on buys. I was in buys this morning. And like I know how gold moves. Oh, this 1H. We're just gonna see buys back up to 1645, this 1H. Because it respected the fucking body here. If we don't see a sell, it's gonna go buys, 100%. Mate, I look at overall market direction. It's so simple. Look on the 1H, I'll show you. We see previous sells from up here. Look, see how many sells I catch. See how many buys I catch. With all insane profits. All insane R2R. Reason why I wanted Toxic Joey in it. Literally, mate. Hides behind a computer screen. But it's fine anyway, because, you know, I made 35% just on Friday last week, so who cares? This is because 1631.50 or 1631.20, I agree where people would say bullish, innit? I agree. Look, lower highs. But I think this is fake. I think just before New York opens / during New York, we'll see sells back down, and then we'll see buys. We'll see a break and retest. This is the retest. We should just see further buys. Hey, it's only banner in it. I don't care anyway. Ben, I don't really care if I'm honest with you, because I've got MetaTrader 4 and 5 on my phone, so thank God I've still got it. And if people don't have it, then they should have got it before it went. Must have that Lambo money bank now. Middlesbrough, how much do you reckon it costs to get a Lamborghini, bro? For fuck's sake, man. I'm never fucking trading again. I quit. I actually quit trading. No, I'm joking. I don't. That's just bullshit. That's actually bullshit. All because of this lower high here. Fucked my whole buys up for today. Great. I wanted to catch buys here. See, this is exactly what's gone wrong here. Buys here, SL here, take profit 45. You know how much money I would have made on this trade? 17 to 1. So like, yo, the sells here, my 1%, whatever. I made the buys too. Joey, you guys were saying it was a sells. If anything, you made my psychology worse. I'm joking. All jokes aside though, if it actually come down to where we wanted it to come down to, not there, because as I said to you, all that is previous highs of the previous lows, the wick out, and that's where it found its support. Look, see the body's respecting it here. I'm gonna make a video on it quickly because I need to explain. I'm gonna make a long video on this trade. Bro, yeah, exactly. Bro, I'm up in profit today. So like with the funded group, let me show you, because like people aren't on copiers right now. So look, let me show you the funded group just so people know. Because like I passed people today already. So it'd be like this. So if you aren't in the copier, then I'll just quickly put some saved trades, and that's the only trade the copy has taken. Now let me explain this to everyone. Because people will be like, fucking hell, he's taking a few losses, but like that wasn't in my intentions. It's not just support and resistance though, mate. It's overall market directions. It's like it's candle imbalance. There's so much to it, mate. You can say, yeah, support and resistance, but it's not. And pretty much most trading is like overall market directions, like price action and stuff. Previous lows to the where it's sold is up here, so you know it's gonna pull back to there. After you see this candle wick up from 1620 and then it respect 1626 and keep staggering, that's when you know, which is why you should have seen some sort of retracement. Here, that's all shit. Hit that twice now. That would have been the best retracement, but instead from 1620 to the highs it went there, which is just complete bullshit. And then obviously this one H, as I said at the start 23 minutes ago, supporting it, and you jump in, and it was a 16. But yeah, that was definitely long. Need to make this now. Alright, so we saw sells yesterday from 1648.50 all the way down to 1622.50, around that area there. Now, gold's gonna push back up now I wanted to see, and this was just, let me just get it up here for you before we talk about what's actually happened now. Let's see what the market's here. We've seen 1640. That is, there's nowhere in this market why it would sort of reject it and then sell off completely. It has to come back, pull back to somewhere to collect orders. It needs some sort of candle imbalance. Now, it's sold down, and you could say whatever you want to make of it really, but either the highs from the previous lows of 1620 found support, or you wanted to do, this is what I wanted to at least see support at 1631 to 1632, some sort of collection of orders where price is going to come down, collect orders, and then impulse back off it. That's basically what I wanted to happen, and this is what we've seen happen. It makes sense for gold to go to 1940 down to either the body or the lower high from where it engulfed and price pushed above to make highs at 1637. So now it found that, you know, that is the high. And if you look at this previous 1H, where did it find support? Again, for further buys back up to 1645. Now you could have even jumped in then. At the moment, I'm trying to trade with market direction, obviously, but I want to try and maximize my profit potentials, which is why I'm entering with tighter sells and trying to, you know, get as much percent as I can possible. The reason for me holding my sells was I wanted the trade to come back only to 1631, and because we didn't see that, and yes, I wanted it to find some sort of orders around 1633.50, and then for price just to pull back and then sell back down again all the way to around here, to then go long and make new highs to 1645 all the way up here. Big push up to the upside, because technically with trading, the markets, the candles, how they all move is that they have to come down to a certain sort of range in the markets to collect orders and then go again. Very rarely would you see something like this happen, only if this high is, like I said before, from the push up from 1620, if this high is the actual support. Because if I stop the replay mode, sorry, and I show you what actually happens with this trade, let me just get rid of all this writing quick. Where that push up was at 1620 to 1630s areas, the 1630 to 50 area, you can clearly see two bodies formed there. So wick as well here, which is why it's easy to say now, because the true market is showing. It's easy to have your opinion on the market now, which is why I say live trading is the best sort of trading. And to be fair, this sort of trade I would have actually, if it come down to 1632, I would have been in it. If I come down to 1632, I would have been in it. And that's the difference. And the difference between this trade here and missing out on this trade is so many pips. You know, we know it's not going to come down to 1631. It will come down max to the lower height here, 1631.20. And then take profit would have been all the way to 1645, which made, you know, around 16% trade. 16 to 1 trade. Another reason, and I was saying this on stream, you could enter a buy here because you know that this more than likely now has found support. So therefore we're going to just run bullish in the following hour, and it's 29 minutes into this hour and all we've seen is bullish. Same with the next hour, we should see it break out again and continue bullish. If we don't see buys right now, and you would have something like this as well, by the way, with the buys. So it'd be like a 12 to 1 sort of trade. Now, if we don't see it buy and we see it come down to 1631.20 / 1631.80, where the body or the lower high, then I'm going to obviously jump in a buy limit. But when you're looking at overall market structure, the 1H has found support. The new 1 hour candle as soon as it opened, yeah, it spiked down 10 pips, 5 pips from the candle previous body, but then after that we spiked up and just made new highs. Be interesting to see, as it could just be a break and retest. You know, this could just be a break and retest, but it's not going to be. Unfortunately, it's not. It's a clear, you know, price retracement back from the 1648.50 sells. And to be fair, you know, we could even come up to 1652 again. I said this before. If we're looking at the previous highs at 1658, the next point in market where price could collect orders is 1652.50. And I tried to catch this last week, and price never actually come up to 1652. So we ended up having to get it at 1648.50, which was this trade there. But that is a point in the market where price could push to and then resell back down bearish again, because that would be a whole complete price retracement. Now I'm just gonna see where it goes to. Obviously we got high impact news. If it comes down 1631, then 100% I'm jumping in buys. If it comes down, yeah, that's it really. If it comes down to 1631.50, I'll jump in buys. Make sure to join up the free trades, because it'll be 1631.50 into 1645, which is 140 pips. It's a lot of pips, a lot of profit. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna go eat some food because I haven't eaten all day. But if you're looking at 15 minutes, the new hour will do this as well. But yeah, we're just staggering up. We'll make new highs, and yeah, that's all it's gonna do really. And if you're looking at the 1H as well, might come down to 38.50. But yeah, new 30 minutes opens. We've got a little rejection there, but see if price takes it out, and it does. There we go, buys again. So yeah, that's where you can just scalp your buys in. So if I was in this trade from where I wanted to get into, and of course it's unfortunate because it would have been a good trade and it makes sense for it to be down like that, the trade would already be a plus, you know, 13% trade, and we'd be holding to there. It's a lot of profit, you know, it's a lot of percent. And these trades are simple trades. I did it with the 10% here, but it's a 20 pip per sell. It's just how it is. Sometimes the cookie crumbles that way. Sometimes you miss it, but we haven't even missed it yet. It can still sell off. News, high impact news can come down, retrace back, collect orders at 1631.50, which there is a slight chance, there is a possibility. That is an actual possibility because, you know, news loves to do it. So set a buy limit. If it comes in, I'll start streaming again. I'm gonna go eat some food now, and I'll be back soon.